Yes, this is a boat. In this video we change a little bit our subject. No more cars, but a very old vintage boat. This is a kit from Dumas Boat. The name is Short Stuff. It's a very tiny wooden fast boat. Look, my hand. This is my hand, this is the boat. When I built it about in a few years, they will be 30 years ago, I used to have a shop, and I made something special for those times. And now I show you the electronics. Have a look inside. Here we have a micro servo for the rudder. Very nice, the Aleo rudder. What's the name of that? I don't remember, this one. The receiver, 27 megahertz, and the speed controller. Battery. This is a metal hydride battery, not a nickel cadmium. All boxes taken away in order to have the minimum weight possible. And this is the engine. The engine, a very little Mabuki 380 with a reduction. Wires to the speed control, from the speed control to the receiver, antenna, very long antenna, and outside this is how it looks. Those alu flaps, the only regulation is to force them under the chin. So, rudder, propeller, and a little fin. This is a original from Dumas Boat. They put this fin on the boat. Look at this. This is, yes, I made it. The cover, it is just this one. You put from here, then you go up, and you close your boat. But you see what's inside. Today, after about 20 years, we are going to use it. The best way is a swimming pool, because I don't know if everything are okay. I check it, but in the water it's another thing. So in a swimming pool, nothing can happen. If it sinks, you can go down and take it out from the water. If you lose control, it doesn't go in another country, in another home, like in a lake or in the sea, but you don't lose it. So let's go outside and see how does it works. So we can put it in his own place. Okay. Perfect. And what is this? Perhaps in the next video. It works too. Up to the next with another boat. Which one? This one. I hope to have radio inside. Once it used to work. Now I don't remember, I have to check it. Bye bye.